So magandang araw sa ating lahat. Gusto ko ngayong i-discuss ang panibagong version ng ating Millionaires Trading Tool. Now, this is the version 3 ng ating trading tool. And what I want to share with you right now is yung mga new functions na pwede nyong gamitin sa loob ng Millionaires Trading Tool. So in this video, we will discuss all of the parts, lalo na ano ba yung pinaka-purpose why we use this tool. So una sa lahat, ang new addition natin is si Crypto Margin Calculator. As you can see here, it is indicated in the brown box. So dito sa mga brown tiles na to, ito yung magiging followed margin natin depende sa leverage na ipapasok mo. So if you're trading with times 50 leverage, so ito yung mga margin na need mong ipasok. And dito din maglalaro yung distance ng stop loss na ilalagay mo. Okay, so let's say nag-enter ka dito ng long sa ACH USDT. And then yung stop loss mo is 0.92. So ito-type mo lang siya dyan, 0.92. And you will put $33 onto this trade, risking 7% from your $200. Pero since we are now on, no, nakailang loss na tayo, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, on the fifth trade, we will risk 43% from our $200. And once ma-hit yung 1:3 risk-to-reward ratio, then that is the time we are able to recover from our losses. At nanalo tayo ng $250. So dito, automatically yan siya mag-provide sa atin ng risk management approach, no? Depende sa risk na ipapasok natin at sa distance ng stop loss. So let's say you trade here with a short position trade. You put your stop loss above the structural high, 0.68, no? I-type mo dito. 0.68. So, required tayo na mag-put ng $45 onto this trade, no? And then, nanalo tayo ng isang trade, which is this one, 1:3. 3.25. So, yan yung take profit natin. So, win tayo ng $250 or $50 into this trade. And tapos na yung first set natin. Now, let's go to the second set. So, second set na tayo. And then, we will trade again. So, may alarm dito na long. We enter here into a long position. Our stop loss is 0.67. Type mo dyan 0.67. Ilagay mo dito is $57 margin on times 50 leverage. And then, panalo tayo ng 1:3. And then, win na tayo agad. So, ang pera natin is $312. So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys, no? Already, the crypto margin calculator is integrated in the Millionaires Trading Tool. So, meron naman tayong independent na cryptocurrency calculator, which is, nandito siya, sa Ultimate Calculator version 3. So, nandito yung leverage calculator, no? Kung manually gusto mong mag-trade, depende sa dollar risk na gusto mong ipasok sa market, then automatically, it will provide you with the result na kailangan mo. Okay? So, maganda dito sa Millionaires Trading Tool, you don't have to worry about the distance of stop loss na hindi na tayo magpapalit-palit ng visuals. Makikita natin agad kung ano ba yung amount of risk depende sa distance ng stop loss versus sa leverage. So, once na napuno mo na to siya, click mo lang yung reset button and then you just have to write again. So, yun lang guys, no? Maraming salamat.